Good morning everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing day. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day because we are going to work on the Civic. We are going to slam the Civic today. I know a lot of you guys have waited for the Civic content. So to update you guys, the last thing we did on the Civic was restore the paint, and after that I haven't even touched the car. I was quite busy with some other stuff. There is so much going on and I cannot wait to show you guys. But for today, we just received the coilovers. So before I show you the coilover and install them on the Civic, if we hit 1000 subscribers by the end of this year, I'll be doing an eBay turbo kit just for fun, because I already have another motor for the Civic which is in the workshop, because the other motor which I have, or engine, whatever you want to call it, which I have, I'm gonna build that. So if you guys want me to do a eBay turbo kit and have fun with it and push it to its limit, make sure to subscribe, and if we hit 1k, I'm surely gonna do a eBay turbo kit. So anyways, these are, I'm gonna show you the coilovers now, and I'm gonna explain why did I get them. These are used coilovers, but hear me out. Why did I get them? So guys, these are the coilovers for the Civic. It's teen coilovers GC100. These are also installed on my Skyline. I did not face any issue with them yet, so that's the reason I bought it. And these are used. The guy which I got it from, he told me he used it for 6 months and he just removed it. Why? Because I think he was selling the car or changed the coilovers. I'm not quite sure, but that's all good because he told me they are working perfectly fine, and by the looks of it, they're pretty good. They're in a good shape. So why did I get a used coilovers and not new ones? The point I'm trying to make here is you don't have to have a lot of money to make your car look cool. You can even buy a set of coilovers for 150 bucks on eBay if you just want to, if that's your look, you just want to make your car look. It doesn't matter, like, okay, unless and until you're building a Skyline, it's pretty expensive. But for Civic and other cars, you don't have to have a lot of money, as I said, because I got these coilovers for 100 bucks and they're 6 months used. So the only thing you need is research and effort. If you do these two things, trust me guys, you will get parts for really cheap, as I got these for 100 bucks. And if you go and look out for these, I think these are like 600-700 bucks for you. I'm not sure, I'm just rounding it up. I think they are 500 or 600 bucks, and it's 100 bucks deal. I think it's pretty good. I was also expecting a lower control arm, but I don't know why it's not here. So I'm just gonna go and install them for now, and we're gonna slam the Civic to the ground. The Civic's pretty dirty. I haven't touched the car, as I said, but I'm gonna go to the workshop and change the coilovers, because I could do it here, but I don't have the tools for it. So I'm gonna start the car and we're gonna go to the workshop. So guys, we are at the body shop. We're gonna remove the OEM suspension and install these bad boys. I just checked that they are almost aligned perfectly, so I won't have to align them. That's a good thing. The other day I was just trying to open the door and the door handle broke here and on the other side. This is also broken. At least I can open the door. I'm gonna get a new pair. But this thing, I am not able to find this thing. So guys, please help me out. If you know where to find it, if you have it, hit me up on my Instagram or just comment down below. Help me out, because I really need this thing because it looks pretty gross. So I'm gonna check now if they are perfectly aligned. I'm gonna open the OEM suspension. Might put you on time lapse because I'm gonna get sweaty, gross and dirty. So, and then once we are about to install the coilovers, I'll talk to you guys. So guys, as you can see, we are almost done fixing the front coilover. I'm not going for any upper control arm because I don't want any camber on this car. That's not my style. So we're gonna fix this and then we're gonna go to the rear. So guys, as you can see, we have installed the first coilover. If you are going for an aggressive offset, then you will need upper control arm for that negative camber. the wheels which I have, SSR Type X, they're pretty good. They are meant for this car, so I don't need negative camber. So this looks pretty good for now. We're gonna go move to the rear and then I'm gonna show you the result. Boys, we ran into an issue. So I think the guy gave me a different coilover. I think this is for EK, not EG. Because if you see, if I could show you here, this thing is not the same as this. But that's not the end of this world. We will try to fix this. We'll try if we can fix this. If not, then I think I'm gonna wait for the lower control arm because I've already ordered it. I was supposed to receive it today, but I don't know what happened. So let's see. I hope, fingers crossed, we can fit this because I was super excited about this. Let's see. I'm gonna try to fix it.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. We couldn't fix the coilovers because the lower control arm for the EG is different. Basically the coilovers which we got were for EK, but we can fix that coilovers. If you remember, I showed you the lower control arm for the EG. What happened was, to save the day, we just received some things for the EG. Well, this is for the door handle. I showed you guys earlier that broke, but this is the thing which will save the day. I'll quickly open it and show it to you guys. So in this package we have, oops, just give me a second guys. Alright, so in this package we have, if you know this logo, you know what brand are these lower control arm for. So these are for EG, and because of this we can fix the rear coilover, because once I remove the lower control arm, I will show you the difference once again. But these are Skunk 2 lower control arm for the EG. So now let's just get started. Alright guys, so we just removed the EG's lower control arm. As you can see, it's humongous and disgusting. You can get lower control arm like this from Skunk 2, but I prefer this one because it looks way better than the OEM look. You can go for this one, but I would suggest, I like this one, and this one looks cool as well. So let me just open it real quick as well and show you the difference. So guys, here is the difference. This is actually really heavy and this one is super light, which is nice. And let me also tell you what you should do if you want to remove the lower control arm. There's a bolt here and there's a bolt here. This camber, you'll have to remove a bolt, and then there are two bolts up there for the suspension. Look at this huge thing. Look at this clean teen coilovers. So let me just install it real quick. Once I install it, I'll show you guys what exactly the difference and how good it looks. Alright, the coilover is almost installed. As you can see, their lower control arm, just this bolt is remaining. We'll fix that. I just wanted to show you guys. It looks so much better now. This was worth it because as you can see, the difference looks pretty bad. I would go for this any day of the week. It looks good. You can, as I said earlier, you can get this lower control arm from Skunk 2 as well, but I would suggest this one. Let me just quickly show you guys. Yeah, there you go. The reason I went with the black color and not any other color, first off, I don't like red, orange, blue on your car. It looks disgusting. Second, I don't want anyone to see this because my plan for this car, as you all know, it's a sleeper. So that is the reason we went with the black. Now what I'm gonna do is, it's getting pretty late as well, I'm gonna fix all the three coilovers because we have already fixed one. I will just install the coilovers now, all the coilovers, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Let me just quickly show you the difference once again. As you can see here, disgusting lower control arm, no coilover here. Amazing, super cool. This thing needs to go as well, so we'll make sure we get a downpipe for this. Anyways, let me quickly install all the 4 coilovers and then I'll show you the end result. I hope it's not at night because my camera is pretty bad at night. So let's go.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. It got pretty late, but we have fixed the coilovers. I drove the car. It's pretty smooth, it doesn't play or anything like that. They're pretty good. I'll quickly show you the car right now and then we're gonna end the video here. So guys, as you can see, the car is looking much better now. The only problem I'm having right now is the front. As you can see, it's pretty low. If I can show you here, yeah, I would love to make it a bit higher than this because it's pretty low, not my taste. But the rear, it's looking pretty good. I don't have any issue with the rear. If you can see here, let me just, yeah, here you go. As you can see here, it's pretty good. The rear, I don't have any problems, but from the front I might raise it a bit because it's pretty low. But the car is looking pretty cool right now. Good set of coilovers and good set of wheels can make your car look pretty cool, guys. And it was not that expensive as well. I will also be telling you how much did I spend on this car once we fix the front lip, the spoiler, the side mirrors and the turn signal lights. We received everything. So next video will be about me installing the spoiler, front lip and side mirrors. So I will be telling you guys how much did I spend on this car in total. Let me also show you the lower control arm. Here you go. The camera is literally not picking that side up, so I'll just show you that. I'll try my best. Alright, the camera is not picking this side. Sorry about that. So as you can see, it's installed. This exhaust, we're gonna do something about this because it's quiet. The car is pretty quiet right now, so I'll be making a custom exhaust for this car. We'll see about that. As I said, next video I'll be installing the goodies on the car and then I will be telling you guys how much did it cost me, so you guys can do the same as well, because it doesn't take much money to make your car look cool. By the way guys, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Anyways, thank you so much for sticking till the end, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, turn on those notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.